Brian, how about over at DIA? What does the future look like as you all sort of look around the corner? There's a lot of things cooking over there. What can we expect in a couple of years?
So what's interesting about my business is that we follow the customer and where the customer goes. And so some of the things that we pay attention to are changes in how information is consumed generationally. So as our policymaker community is getting younger, the way they consume information is changing. So the Obama administration was the most famous example of this, but he wanted to see things in a more electronic format. So the Director of National Intelligence delivered an iPad so that he could consume intelligence. That now opened up a whole range of things that we can do now to present information to our senior executives in the government. Videos, interactives, they can interact with themselves and ask questions directly to the analysts through platforms just like that. So we expect that in the future, we're going to be producing more products that are less paper-driven and more electronically driven. We expect that those products will have to have a very robust data back end to them, because we think that our future customer set is going to be incredibly inquisitive and want to see more information about what it is they are consuming. And then they're going to press us and test us more on why we think certain things, and they're going to want to see the homework. So that's the vision that I think we are building toward. And in addition to being able to serve our warfighters out forward as well, edge computing platforms, folks have already kind of talked about, that is definitely a future that we see now. We see folks deploying, handheld drones in the Strategic Capabilities Office, for an example. So those are platforms we're going to have to feed, and those are platforms that are going to create intelligence that we're going to have to consume. So those are the things we're drilling toward.
Sure.